Can you patent anything? So I love inventions. That's the whole reason why I went into patent law, was to basically work with inventions all the time, learn about them, help protect them. But there are a lot of weird inventions out there, which then lead to a lot of weird patents. One of the things that when we're talking to our clients, we really try and look at is, what are you going to do with this patent if you get it? It's going to cost a lot of time and money to get a patent. And pretty much 99% of the time, we're filing for a patent because the client wants to somehow monetize it, whether that is by making and selling the product themselves, or licensing it, or selling the patent. Maybe that 1% of the time people just want to get a patent. We see this a lot with researchers and doctors, that it's just more of a CV builder. But there's a lot of weird patents out there, and one of the newsletters I subscribe to, called The Daily Hustle, they send out every once in a while a weird patent that they found, and I thought some of them were interesting, and I found a few others. So I just wanted to take you through, because what you'll see is a lot of patents are filed, but only a small percentage of them actually make money for the owner, actually turn into a product that you see out there. And this is something that we talk to our clients a lot about, and really try and push them to do a search to help them figure out what is out there and is it going to help. This one maybe not as weird as some of the others that we'll see, but it's basically just for a baby support, to hold the baby up in their crib, playpen. Not so super weird, but it's kind of an odd way of doing it. Having a son, I don't think I would put him in the crib. And there's many better supports out there. Here's one it's meant for if you're in a building and there's a fire, so that you can breathe fresh air. You stick the tube into the toilet to try and get it to the vent to get fresh air from the vent. Pretty interesting. You might prefer to just take your chances with the fire than try and breathe through a toilet bowl. Here's one which was to stop people from eating. It's just a cage that goes over your mouth. And then here, this one, might be my favorite of all of them. It is to carry your hamsters around with you. It's basically clothing, pet display clothing, they call it. And it's actually just, tubes that go around you, so you can take your hamsters for a walk. So just some weird patents out there. I've never seen any of these for sale. Like I said, there's a lot of other weird patents. You see a lot of these old ones that come up, but there's a lot of things that just don't make it to the market for many reasons. There's no market that wants to buy them at any price, or to make them as too expensive. Or there's other competitors that are just better. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about your invention. And if you should file something, is how is this going to make money? Who's going to buy it? What could you make it for? What's the cost? And why do you want to do it? That's a big question that we want to speak with clients about and try and figure out, so that we can make sure that it's worth your time and money to move forward with filing for a patent. If you have any questions, if you like this, feel free to comment below, subscribe, like it, and always feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.